Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now, we didn't do anything to the suspension, but we did put a mid-length front bumper on it, one of our Central Alps ones, some skinny Smittybilt Nuttall XRC fender flares on it, some 17x9 RDO 4s, also known as a Red Dirt Road USA wheel. It's a 17x9 with a negative 12mm offset, some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires, some EA Auto Grills, half metal doors, and just some basic 3-inch powder coated rails. Right now, nothing is difficult to install. There's no tips with the suspension because we kept it at your factory ride height. Your front bumper, our tip with the front bumper is to remove your little dust shield right here at the back end of the bumper. It will allow you to have better access to the 8 nuts that hold on your front bumper. Besides that, you throw the front bumper on, you're good to go. These Smittybilt flares, they are very easy on the front. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts that you'll just run through and put nuts on the back and tighten down. What we recommend doing is reusing your factory inner fenders. A lot of people don't reinstall their inner fenders and they just leave it all open and you can see into your engine compartment. Just take a razor blade and cut the inner fenders with with the Smittybilt flare. Same thing with the rear. We use some nut certs, which you can pick up on Amazon, or Smittybilt sends you with self-tapping screws, but we use some nut certs and through on the rears. Side rails, piece of cake, bolts into the factory holes and you bolt them on. Tires and wheels, you'll probably have to take it to a shop to have them mounted and balanced. But if you want more information on the tires and wheels, please click the link and we'll give you more information about how they balance, how they ride, and the other sizes that they offer the wheels and the tires in. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I wish I could just buy this Jeep already built. I don't want to have to buy one, go to the dealer, go through all the paperwork, then bring it to you, then get it lifted, and then have it. I just want it all done at once. Go to our website, central-alps.com. We're gonna start posting the vehicles that we've built for dealers that they have in inventory for sale, ready to move for you today. So you can just go find one that you already like, find one that you want, and they send it to you already done. Also, if you wanna buy these parts, whether it's the tires and the wheels, or the bumpers, or the flares, or the rails, or the doors, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.